Yo boys, welcome back to day 17 of attempting to get max allocation. We're so close. We're so close. We had a little losing streak, but we're so close right now. 5 Topstep accounts, 2 Tradeify accounts, 350k in fucking racks. Human. But yo boys, if you are wanting to watch the journey of someone like myself who started trading in only January this year, passed my first funded at the end of September of this year, had my first payout a week later, and now going on to having max allocation on Topstep. If you aren't already, sub the fuck up. Let's get into the video. Peace. If we lose the next trade, I have blown all my accounts. Right, market's just opened. As well, we've got this area here. The volume to me looks a bit slow as well. That wick out there, that's a 20-point wick out. And we're just chilling it. Let's push him. Woo, it's bullish. That's a good... Just give it one more.
Order filled.
If we lose this, boys, we're done. We'll see what happens here then, boys, won't we? Goddamn. Shit. Let's see. Alright, that closed above. Just something I really want to quickly touch on. 5-minute closures. The first 5-minute candle, when it closes, if you've already entered your trade and it closes above your breakout, so if it, basically what I'm saying is if you've entered for a buy in this position, as you can see a buy, and it's closed above the resistance level, good sign. Usually a good sign for those that don't already know. I know a lot of people already know this, but I've personally seen that is a very good sign. And gives just to give you some confidence to hold your trade potentially. But yeah, cool. Right now, I want to clear this shit. We definitely want to get past this. If we can just push through that, go on. That'd be beautiful if we can push through that. The issue I've been seeing lately on the NASDAQ is it's been pushing to around or just even below 1-to-1 and then it just fucking reverses. Yo, boys, if you do want my fib settings, these are in my description. So as you can see there, bro, we're just short of that 1-to-1. So yeah, keep it moving. It's the 15. Oh, pushing nicely. Pushing nicely there. Get some San Pellegrino out for the fucking celebration, you know. Come on, girl, drink that sparkling water, you know. Splash the cash on your fucking batty, you know. Wow. Shit, this is pushing now, bro. 1-to-2. I'm going for that 1-to-3. Or is that silly of me? What's the account at? Nah, I need to get a 1-to-3. So I need to pass these accounts this week. Motherfuckers are watching this right now like, yo, take the money, man. Take the fucking money. Yo, bro. This is pushing shit. Come on. Come on, bro. We just need that last little bit. We just need that last little bit. Come on. This is hitting it. For sure. Come on.
Order filled.
We're back in the game, baby. We're back in the game. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Jeez. See, I kept the same risk. I was about to, if that trade blew, let me put a profit there. If that trade would have blown the account, has this made it as well? Oh, Tradeify, lovely. So I got my Tradeify accounts as well. As you can see here, boys, Tradeify is up. So we got a 1 to 3. I love my 1 to 3s. I can't lie. I've seen that 1500. So we've taken 3 L's in a row. And now with that one trade alone, we just made it all back. Oh, can these markets just behave themselves and just give me that fucking 1 to 3 tomorrow as well? And then I can be passed with everything and then I can start making fucking... and then can start like properly like, you know, fucking... I'm just trying to set up myself for 2026 right now, boys. We've been learning all year. Ripping it all year. Now, next year, I just really want to be set up. I want to be fully funded for next year. And next year, I want to just start fucking doing really well. But yeah, I'm happy about that, man. I'm really, really, really happy about that. Wicked out. What was it, 100? Bro, you just missed. Why have you got your settings at 100?
I know. I didn't say it. That's the thing.
Bro, you have. you have. I told you, bro, don't... bro, I told you don't change your risk.
I'm more mad than you, bro. What the fuck?
Bro, don't change your risk. Bro, I've just hit 1 to 3, but we could have made back the 3 days of losses. But yo, it's a lesson learned, isn't it? This is what I'm saying. Don't change your risk. I've made that exact same mistake by changing my risk by getting scared. You've just got to realize this shit's numbers. It's just a numbers game. Bro. Can't believe you missed that. Never mind. How much did you lose?
Broke even.
You broke even. You broke even. I watched this back. Kobe, you silly little dickhead. Break even. There was no reason for break even. It's either you stop loss or you full take profit. Like, I don't know how motherfucker broke even. That to me tells me emotions came in. But yo, go again. We go again tomorrow and we stick to the plan. Because breaking even isn't even in the plan. So that's just me being told I'm not following my plan. Basically, what my brother had done is he changed his risk on his risk brackets. And it's fucked him over in the long run. But anyway, whatever. Do not change your risk, boys. Like, I've learned this the hard way. But anyway. Even, yeah?
Yeah.
Bro, that's a lesson learned. And at least you had to break even, not fucking lose your account and shit like that. So all good in the hood. Say less, bro. Say less. Go again tomorrow, bro. Go again tomorrow. Peace.
Okay.
Wait.
Peace.
Oh, bro, he's changed his risk. This is what I was telling him, bro. I was like, don't change your risk. I made that same mistake, and when I look back and I go through my back tests and all my sessions and shit, I see, like, if I was to change my risk, if I didn't change my risk, I would have had way fat payout, way more account. All my accounts would have already been passed. But because I become a bitch and I get scared of, like, trusting the process, it's like, change the risk, and it's like, you know what I'm saying? It's like, you were going for 1 to 2s, making $1,000, and then because I'm like, oh, I'm down fucking however much, change the risk, and then it's like, yeah, your 1 to 2 on a fucking $200 trade is not going to make up for the $1,000 that you made the other day on a fucking $500 risk. You got to do a 1 to 4. Do you know what I'm saying? So it's like, if we look at this week so far, if we go into TradeSync, this is how I copy trade across all my accounts, right? So I use Tradeify as well as Topstep. Tradeify is fucking sick. You can pass a Tradeify account. If you just want to pass one account, Tradeify. You need a 1 to 3 on a $1,000 risk, and you've literally passed the account the same day. So I recommend Tradeify. 0 activation fee, 1 day pass. Perfect. So like, as you can see from this week so far, yesterday we took 2 losses. No, sorry, took 1 loss. And then today, we've taken a big win. We've taken a 1 to 3, right? As you can see here, the win is way bigger than the fucking loss. It's actually like 3 times as big. There we go. That's the P&L across all accounts. So I've got 2 Tradeify accounts running and 3 Topstep Combines accounts running. So $1,500 across all of them, 5 accounts. I already do have the 2 passed, but I'm waiting to trade these. I'd rather pass these first, then go back to trading live, because if we have another trade like we did today, we will have passed all the accounts, and then I'll be fully funded across Topstep and also have 100k funding on Tradeify, which is sick. So 350 racks in funding in total. My goal was 250k, so we'll smash that out the park and more. The reason why I'm going to do 2 Tradeify, so look, check it. So yo boys, check it. I don't know how well you can see it, but I'm literally 1 winning trade away from passing my Tradeify accounts. Now I have 2 of these, as you can see in the top right corner, right? Now I'm planning, in fact, let me take this shit to the camera. I want to do this shit on here. So yo boys, I've got a ton of questions of people asking me, when am I going to start trading London session live? We have over 400 of you motherfuckers on a wait list. literally signed up for trading live with me, which is mad, for free. Isn't me charging. And I said I was going to start in 2 weeks, but then I decided I was going to only trade London once I've passed the prop firm I will be using for London, which is Tradeify. So I have 2 Tradeify accounts. These are advanced challenge accounts. Now, they no longer do the advanced accounts. They only do the growth. Growth is actually way better. I don't even know why I got advanced, hence why they got rid of them anyway. But I'm literally 12. I'm literally one more winning trade away with my risk reward from passing these 2 accounts plus my other 3. So I'll have 7 accounts in total. I'll have 5 for New York session and I'll have 2 Tradeify accounts, 100k funding for London session. And this is what I'm basically going to be using for London session, right? So if you want to trade live with me, this is going to be the one. The reason why I'm using Tradeify as well is because it's 1 day pass. So if I wasn't trading my Topstep accounts, right, I could have passed these all in 1 day, right? In fact, a trade like this today would have been a pass because all I have to do is make $3,000. So $3,000 on a 1 to 3 is literally a pass, right? So Tradeify is sick, bro. It's cheaper than Topstep. It's 1 day pass and it has 0 activation fees. Let me show you. So look, this is Tradeify, right? These are sick. These are fucking sick, bro. Like it's literally Topstep, but like cheaper. Also, it's like getting Topstep, but getting. I mean, if you wanted, you could get instant funding. So like, imagine being able to get instant funding on Topstep, right? Well, Topstep don't actually provide that, but Tradeify do, and it uses Project X, which is the exact same interface as you can see here. Tradeify, it looks exactly the same as Topstep, but Topstep obviously do not allow instant funding. Whereas your cheeky get around is Lightning funded. If you want to have a 50k funded account, boom, you could pay $320 and be straight funded straight away. Also, you can have 5 of these accounts. Whoa. 320 times 5, what's that? I'm just going to do 300. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. For $1,500, you could have $250,000 in funding. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that in the future, to be honest with you. I'll only do that though once I've actually proven myself on the funded. So like if I ever blow the fundeds in the future, if I blow them and we go on a losing streak, because I know that my strategy wins, by that point, on probability wise, I'm like, it don't matter, $1,500, I'll get max allocated tomorrow, boom. That makes a lot of sense. But yeah, anyway, back to what I was showing you. The growth accounts that these guys do though, look, 1 day to pass, no activation fee, lightning fast payouts, boom, $87 a month, right? It's mad. 0 activation fee, 1 day pass, and it's literally the same like profit target. But the thing is, you can pass this account in 1 day, right? $3,000, 1 day to pass. Whereas Topstep, it takes 2 days. So it's like, do you know how jarring it is? So I have to now wait tomorrow to pass all the Topstep accounts, right? Whereas if I just held this one trade that we just had today, I'd have passed all the accounts and I'd be funded tomorrow. And the money that I make tomorrow would have been, money that I'll be able to withdraw after whatever fucking 5 days of funding. So it's like, it actually costs more, like, not having 1 day pass, because if you're going into a second day and that second day doesn't come through, you've just lost $1,000. Now you have to wait another day to come back, and then it ends up being some shit show. Like, so this is why in future Tradeify is going to be the one I use. A lot of people tell me to look into Alpha Futures as well. I actually will look into them because I hear a lot of good things about them. But Tradeify is banging, bro. Like, yeah. So boom, get on that. But that's it, boys. Look how far off we are from passing this shit. This account, this particular Topstep account's $800 off of being passed. So the markets have been rocky as fuck. They've been a bit up and down. But if we can get this shit going tomorrow, we are cheeky, you know. Come on. And yeah, I'll be very, very happy with that. Very, very happy with that. Peace. But also, yo boys, also before I do go, if you guys are doubting yourself, and the thing is, I know a lot of you boys have lost this trade today, and I know you got wicked out, and you just watched the trade go fucking meow. You would be fuming. And as you heard, my brother, he also lost his trade, and he's gutted, and he's actually funded, and he's just trying to get his first payout, man. But keep going, keep fucking pushing. We got this shit. Like, yo, I started this shit in January, not having a fucking clue what I was doing. January the 6th, I took my first ever trade. If we can get this shit to come through and be 350k up on 7 funded accounts, 50k funded accounts, I've shown you firsthand that this shit's possible. Bearing in mind, I started on a fucking demo account in May, bro. Like, I want to do this shit for like not just for me, but for you guys. I swear to God, like this tip, like when I get the DMs from people going like, yo, you've helped me do this and you helped me do that, you helped me do this and you helped me do that. I'm like, that like proper gasses me. So everyone that messages me and shows love, I fucking appreciate every single one of you. Like genuinely from the bottom of my fucking heart. Like I swear to God. Like, bruv, all I do is this shit every single day, boys. Back testing, watching my videos, reviewing my videos, giving you guys the fucking video, like what's it called, video analysis for me to learn, as well as show you what I'm learning at the same time. Like, this isn't me telling anybody what to do or how to do it. This is just me sharing my advice, and to see that actually like help people, so fucking mad. So this is the whiteboard this week. London, we're up 4R. New York down 1. This morning I did take two losses, so -2. And then obviously back +3. So that's been a sick way to do this shit. But yeah, boys, let's pass this shit tomorrow. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But if we don't, we just continue doing the same shit every single day, day in, day out. And we just do not fucking quit. We do not stop. So yeah, come on, boys. Fucking another day, another fucking dollar. Lock the fuck in.